Weight of crucible 49.01 gram. Weight of crucible 2 52.801 gram. Weight of crucible 3 142.301 gram. Weight of tap water 100 milliliter. Weight of wastewater is equal to 100 milliliter. Weight of filter paper is equal to 0.835 gram. After putting in oven for 24 hours, wastewater plus total solids is equal to 52.852 gram. Filter paper plus suspended solids is equal to 0.849 gram. Total solids is equal to 52.852 dash. Then this comes the answer. Then suspended solids is equal to this comes the answer. Then dissolved solid. Note here. Total solids, volatile and fixed, ignite the residue obtained in A at size 600 degrees Celsius in a muffle furnace, 15 to 20 minutes, cool and weigh. Total volatile residue milligram per liter is equal to weight of crucible with total residue minus weight of empty crucible minus weight of crucible with residue heated to 600 degrees Celsius milligram into 100 plus ml sample. Fixed residue milligram per liter is equal to total residue minus volatile residue. Suspended and dissolved solid. Filter the sample through Wetman filter paper number 440 or 41, 44 or 41. Take a suitable quantity in a wet dry dish, crucible, corming or Pyrex beaker. Evaporate to dryness at 103 degree to 105 degrees Celsius. Cool the container to a constant weight. Weight and note the increase in weight. Dissolved residue milligram per liter is equal to weight of crucible with residue minus weight of empty crucible milligram into 100 divided by milliliter sample. Suspended residue milligram per liter is equal to total residue A minus dissolved C. Aim to determine the pH value of given sample water. Operator test tube beaker electromeric apparatus. Correct observations. Sample number. Source pH. This is 1. This is temperature. This is 647. This is 2. Wastewater 5.38 pH. Result. Tap water pH less than 7 acidic. Wastewater pH less than 7 acidic. Then note here, wastewater is more acidic than tap water. Determination of pH. Aim to determine the pH value of given solution using pH meter as per IS 3025 part 2nd 1983. Apparatus pH meter, electrode, temperature probe. Theory. pH of water is a measure of the amount of hydrogen ions that is present in water. pH is equal to minus log H positive. K is equal to H positive into OH negative. The value of K is found to be between 10 and 14. Solution, acidic solution, alkaline solution. pH value, acidic solution 1 to 7, alkaline solution 7 to 14. There are two methods involved in determination of pH value of water. They are calorimetric method, electromeric method. These are two methods involved in determination of any chemical reaction. A. Chemical shall be highly effective at particular pH. Chemical coagulation, disinfection, water softening. Second, corrosion control are governed by pH adjustment. Corrosion control are governed by pH adjustment. To maintain a relatively constant pH, the possibility to maintain constant pH is due to the hydroxy carbonate and bicarbonate ions present in water. The ability of natural water to act as buffer is controlled in part by the amount of calcium and carbonate with limestone will contain high levels of both calcium to positive and carbonate ions and have allotted hardness and alkalinity. Procedure: preparation of reagents. In testing, preparation of reagents for taking for testing the given sample. First, the reagents are required to be prepared. Sulfuric acid solution 0.02 normal. Take approximate 500 milliliter of distilled water in 100 milliliter standard flask. EI pit 20 milliliter consider 0.1 normal sulfuric acid and add slowly along the slides of the standard flask. Then make up the volume up to 100 milliliter mark. Now the strength of this solution is 0.02 normal. Result: pH less than 7 is acidic, pH of 7 is neutral, pH greater than 7 is basic. Then is next experiment, alkalinity. Aim: to determine the alkalinity of given water sample with stipulation as per IS 3025. Alkalinity limits 200 parts per million to 600 parts per million. Initial reading: final reading used acid. Initial reading 0, final reading 17.2, used acid 17.2 milliliter. Initial reading 7.2, final reading 30.3, used acid 13.1 milliliter. Average alkalinity is equal to 0.1 is equal to 0.15 into 0.1 into 1000 divided by 1000, 3.15. Apparatus: burette with stand and percolin title, pipette with elongated tips, pipette bull conical flask, 250 milliliter measuring cylinders, standard flask, wash bottle, beakers. Chemical required: standard sulfuric acid, phenolphthalein, mixed indicator, bromosrisol green, methyl red, ethyl alcohol, distilled water. Theory: alkalinity is primarily a way of measuring the acid neutralizing capacity of water. In other words, its ability to phenolphthalein indicator preparation. Weight 1 gram of phenolphthalein and add to 100 milliliter of 95% ethyl alcohol or to 100 milliliter of distilled water. Use the ready-made phenolphthalein indicator available in the market. Mixed indicator preparation: dissolve 100 milliliter bromocresol green and 20 milligram of methyl lead in 100 milliliter of 95% ethyl alcohol or use 100 milliliter of distilled water. Mixed indicator also readily available in the market, so it can be used as indicator in this experiment. Testing of water sample: rinse the burette with 0.02 normal sulfuric acid and adjust it to 0. Fix the burette in the stand using a measuring cylinder. Exactly measure 100 milliliter of sample and pour it into a 250 milliliter of conical flask. Add 2 few drops of phenolphthalein indicator to content of conical flask. The color of the solution will turn to pink. This color changes due to alkalinity of the ion in water. Alkalinity of hydroxyl ion in water. The color changes due to alkalinity of the hydroxyl ion in water. Higher pH value hasten the scale formation in water, heating apparatus, and also reduce chemical potential of chlorine. pH value. Taste: pH value below 4, then sour taste; above 8.5, then bitter taste. Procedure: selection of sample, calibration of pH meter. First, clean the electrode and temperature probe with the distilled water and then dry the electrode and temperature probe using tissue paper. Second, dip the electrode and temperature probe with the distilled water and dry it using tissue paper. Third, again clean the electrode and temperature probe with the distilled water and dry it using the tissue paper. Fourth, dip the electrode and temperature probe in buffer solution of pH value. Third, determination of pH value of sample. First, clean the electrode and temperature with distilled water and dry it using tissue paper. Second, dip the electrode and temperature probe in the solution to determine pH value. Titrate against 0.02 normal sulfuric acid till the pink color disappears. This indicates that all the hydroxyl ion are removed from the water sample. Note down the titer value V1. The value titration B 0.5 milliliter. This value is used in calculating the phenolphthalein alkalinity. To the same solution in the conical flask, add few drops of mixed indicator. The color of solution turns to blue. This color changes is due to carbonate and hydrocarbonate ions in water sample. Continue the titration from the point where stored for phenolphthalein alkalinity. Titrate it till the solution becomes red. Entire volume of sulfuric acid is noted down and it is accountable in calculating total alkalinity. Value titration is 8.3 milliliter. Repeat titration for concordant values. To the same solution in a conical flask, add few drops of mixed indicator. The color of a solution turns to blue. This color change is due to carbonate and hydrocarbonate ions in water sample. Continue the titration from the point where they stored for the phenolphthalein alkalinity. Titrate it till solution becomes red. Entire volume of sulfuric acid is noted down and it is accountable in calculating total alkalinity. Value of titration is 8.3 milliliter. Repeat the titration for concordant values. Precautions. Do not keep the indicator solution open since it contains the alcohol which tend to evaporate. If it spills on your skin, the star will remain at least for 2 to 3 days. Determination of acidity. To determine the acidity of the given sample of water, aim. Tap water 100 ml, tap water NaOH N by 10 initial reading, drop methyl orange yellow, water 100 ml, tap water 28 NaOH N by 10 initial, 28.5 NaOH N by 10 final, phenolphthalein light pink. Theory. The acidity in the mineral water is primarily due to dissolved carbon dioxide and is defined as capacity to neutralize base. However, in water polluted by trade waste, acidity may be because of mineral acids below pH 4.5. Strong mineral acid and weak acids such as carbonic and acetic and hydrolyzing salts such as ferric and aluminum sulfates may contribute to the measured acidity. Hydrogen ions present in a sample as a result of dissolution or hydrolysis of solutes and neutralized by titration with standard alkali. In determining the acidity of sample of the volume standard alkali required to bring about colons at pH 8.3 and pH 3.7 are determined. Apparatus: first burette, pipette, electrometer, flask. Fourth, indicator solution. Reagents: methyl orange indicator, phenolphthalein indicator, N by 50 sodium hydroxide solution. Wastewater: water 100 ml, methyl orange, initial sodium hydroxide 28.5 final yellow color, water 100 ml, 29 initial sodium hydroxide, 29.5 final sodium hydroxide. Acidity is equal to 0.5 into 0.1 into 1000 by 100 is equal to 0.5. Procedure: place 100 ml water in conical flask and add to it. Procedure: place 100 ml water in conical flask and add to it 1 deep drop of methyl orange indicator. Procedure: place 100 ml in conical flask and add to it 1 deep drop of methyl orange indicator. Second, if it gives an orangish red color, mineral acid is present. Note the milliliter of N/50 sodium hydroxide solution used. In another flask, place 100 milliliter water and 0.5 milliliter phenolphthalein indicator. If it doesn't give any color, titrate it with N/50 sodium hydroxide solution to a light pink solution color. Note the milliliter of solution used. 7th, if phenolphthalein gives a pink color, in addition, in the sample acidity is not available. Aim to determine the total hardness of a water sample. Apparatus: pipette, burette, and titration flask. Reagents: Echrome black tea indicator, EDTA solution. Hardness: butter. Theory: hardness is defined as characteristic of water which represents the total concentration of just the calcium and magnesium ions expressed as calcium carbonate. Hardness are generally considered as those water that require considerable amounts of soap to produce a foam or lather, and that also produce scald in hot water pipes, boilers and heaters. Hardness is caused by the presence of multivalent metallic cations. The principal hardness causing cations are divalent magnesium, ferrous, calcium, magnesium, strontium, and manganese. Such ions are capable of reacting with soap to precipitate and with certain ions present in the water to form scale. Observation and calculation: 50 ml titrated sample, 1 ml of buffer solution, 4 to 5 drops of EBT. End point: when wine red to light blue. Initial reading 78, final reading is equal to 89.4, difference is equal to 11.4, is equal to volume of ETA used. Total hardness milligram per liter as calcium carbonate. V1 into N into 100 into 1000 divided by V. V is equal to volume of sample taken. V1 is equal to volume of titrant used. Normality of ETA 0.02 normal. Total hardness is equal to 11.4 into 0.02 into 100 into 1000 divided by 50 is equal to 456 milligram per liter. Ethylene diamine tetraesteric acid (EDTA) and its sodium salts form a chelated soluble complexes when added to solution of certain metal cations. If a small amount of dye such as EBT is added to an aqueous solution containing calcium, a magnesium ions at a pH of 10, the solution will become wine red. If EDTA is then added as titrant, the calcium and magnesium will be complexed. After sufficient EDTA has been added to complex all the magnesium and calcium, the solution will turn from wine red to blue. This is the end point of titration. Procedure: take sample in titration flask. Second, add 0.5 milliliter of a hardness buffer. Third, add a few grains of Echrome black tea indicator. Sample will turn wine red. Fourth, titrate against EDTA solution to a blue end point. Fifth, note down the volume of EDTA solution consumed from the burette. Sixth, calculate hardness. Significance: because of adverse reaction of hard water with soap water, their use of cleansing purpose is quite unsatisfactory. As far as human health is concerned, hard water is fit for consumption. An environmental engineer uses the hardness rate for recommending the need for sorting purposes. Calcium magnesium ions are procedure against heart disease. Aim to determine the concentration of chlorides in water on wastewater sample. Volume of water is equal to 100 milliliter. Observation: wastewater average. Initial reading, final reading, difference 6, 14, 8, 35, 42.8, 78, 78, 7.9. Tap water average 35, 37, 36.8, 39, 1.8 to 1.9. Calculation: chloride ion concentration wastewater is equal to 7.9 minus 0.2 into 500 divided by 100 is equal to 38.5 milligram per liter. Tape water is equal to 1.9 minus 0.2 into 500 divided by 100 is equal to 8.5 milligram per liter. Apparatus: pipette, burette, and titration flask. Reagent: potassium chromate indicator, silver nitrate. Theory: chlorine in form of chloride ions Cl negative are one of the major inorganic anions in water and wastewater. In potable water, salty taste is produced by chloride ion incrustation. which is variable and depend on chemical composition of water. The chloride ion concentration is higher in wastewater than in raw water because NaCl is common article of diet and passes unchanged through digestive system. It may be increased by industrial processes. Higher the chloride content may harm metallic pipes and structure as well as growing plants. Procedure: first, take sample in titration flask. Second, take 2 to 3 drops of potassium chromate indicator. Color will turn yellow. Third, titrate against silver nitrate to a brick red endpoint. Fourth, note down the volume of silver nitrate consumed from the burette. Fifth, calculate the concentration of chlorides as suggested. Significance: chloride ion is reasonable concentration, is not harmful to humans. At the concentration above 25 mg per liter gives salty taste to water. The chloride content of the water used for titration is generally controlled along. The water with a high chloride ion content makes it difficult for crops to take up water due to osmotic pressure difference between water outside plant and within plant.